Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find password settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile like this, and now here you will find accounts. Click on it, and here as you see you will find password, and that's how to find password settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.